Alright guys, this is one of my, well, not one of my proudest moments. Alright guys, so hey, got my son here. He's helping me tear the Wildcat down while I'm working on these 73 here. Deuce Boy D up out of Milwaukee. So my son, he's tearing the front end off of this 70 Wildcat over there, guys. Huh?
So you got any more of those tags?
Tags?
Yeah, like those mechanic tags?
These things? We're chipping away at the front end here. Is anything coming loose yet?
Got the grill loose.
That might all come out in one piece, huh?
Yeah.
But I think the bumper got to come off first, though. That's probably what I was thinking. Like, you got to take the bumper off before that grill will come out of there.
Okay. I just didn't want to try to pull the bumper and it's, you know, fastened to the grill or, you know,
Yeah,
to the bumper.
I think this.
Make sure I got everything off on top before I crawl up under there, you know.
You need the creeper?
I will.
So he's going up on the loose now, up on the bottom now, trying to get the bumpers loose here.
That.
remember when I was young, I used to crawl around like that. It'd take me 30 minutes to get up under there. Probably, I don't know that, I normally use the whatchamacallit for that too.
The what?
The big,
The big impact?
yeah. Alright, let me look.
I gotta take this middle part off
Let me see.
so I don't get caught up right here.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Alright, I'll hold this. Yeah, cause this thing, if this too tight, it won't break stuff loose either. I don't know, that snap on, that's not too good of a tool, you know what I mean? No torque or whatever.
Yeah.
Cash money around here. Alright, so the bumper's off of there now. Now we just gotta. Probably just scoot it up under there for now. Then I'll break it out, pull it out one day and break it all down. Unless you feel like breaking it down.
I mean, I can, or what else do you want to part tonight?
I don't know. Everything gotta come off. Everything's gotta come off. So if you can get it out your way and just keep picking away, that makes it easier for me now, at least with that bumper off of there, you know, like you going by Nick's tomorrow or whatever, so. But yeah, whatever you want to do, just keep taking the horns, you know, they come off. Just pull the wires, take the horn, all this whole front end got to come off of here, so. All right.
I was thinking about turning around and chasing them down, but I figure I'll see them tomorrow or something.
Wow, you're able to get everything loose. Look at you. That's just all right.
Yeah, you know.
I mean, last time you did this, you was like 14. All right.
See, this right here is second nature.
Yeah, I know you know how to work on them. All right. The 9/16.
And I know how like some things you like to screw back in so you don't lose them.
Yeah. Makes it easier to put them back together.
Mm-hmm. Just putting on the.
What you doing? Pulling the radiator?
Well, yeah, with this.
Alright, yeah, I normally do the outside one, and that's why I brought this bucket in. Catch the tranny fluid.
All the tranny cooler lines.
Yeah, fluid might come out of there. Tranny fluid. Uh-oh, we're missing something. What? There we go. Way back there. I'm gonna open it up more.